Keep the line clear for the next shipment.
We need these drums routed to processing immediately.
Copy that. Moving now.
Barrels and containers are automatically scanned and fed into intake conveyors. Robotic arms then sort the materials toward purification.
Perfumes, dyes, and moisturizing agents are injected into the soap flakes. Precision nozzles distribute ingredients evenly.
The soap undergoes repeated milling to achieve a flawless texture. Each pass refines the consistency further.
The bars are trimmed and polished into their final shapes. Conveyor belts carry them smoothly as the camera glides along the line toward cooling.
The integration of these advanced robotics allows for unparalleled efficiency, ensuring every bar of soap
A stark contrast to the factory. This is where the true luxury of luxe is realized. The luxurious foam dissolves instantly, washing away impurities to reveal skin that is deeply clean and incredibly smooth.